In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest desktop. Now, unfortunately, Pinterest on desktop does not have a built-in function for you to be able to actually turn on dark mode. So for this, we're going to use a Chrome web extension. So here you want to go to Chrome Web Store and you want to search for Reader. And there we go, it's going to pop up Dark Reader. Click on that, and then you can click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. And what's going to happen is it's going to get added to your Chrome browser, and then you can go ahead and go to Pinterest again. And as you can see, it already is entered dark mode. If I go up here and if I actually click on this extension, as you can see over here, you can go ahead and adjust your brightness like that, and then of course refresh the site for it to work. And here you can see you can basically switch between dark and light mode, and whenever that's on, you'll be able to basically enjoy your dark theme or dark mode on Pinterest desktop. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.